What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kegon's Kitchen. So today we're gonna make some brown stew chicken with some roast and fried breadfruit, Jamaican style. So I have some chicken right here, some mixed parts chicken, that I've seasoned for about two to 3 days now. I have it a marinate. Yeah, so it well seasoned, well soaked. The only thing I'll add to it is some browning, and we're gonna add in the carrot and bell peppers afterwards. All right, so this is the roast breadfruit right here. I had it in the freezer for about a month, so you already know, say, it's still good. Yeah, man. If you know, you know. So we're gonna start off by adding a little bit of browning to the chicken. We're not gonna overdo it. You understand? Yeah. Don't want it to be too dark. Yeah, so mix it up a little bit. Yeah. Just like that. And I think we are good to go. So we're gonna get the frying pan hot, nice and ready. Yes, may I say? And then we're gonna start searing the chicken, and then we're gonna add some water to it, cook it down a little bit. Yeah, man. So we're gonna turn up the stove to a high heat, get the pan nice and hot. Cause we're gonna sear it on a high heat level, and then we're gonna add it to this pot right here with some water, cook it down for about 30 minutes, and we should be good. Yeah, man. So we're not gonna add too much oil. So the oil should be hot in about 1 minute. It should be nice and hot, guys. So right now we're just gonna drop in the chicken them. Yes, guys, so it's that time right now. Alright, so the chicken them have that nice sear to it, so I'm gonna transfer it over to the big pot. But we're gonna cook it down in with the sauce and everything nice. Yes, me I say. Yeah. Add a little oil to it, not much. Not a lot. Alright. We don't want the sauce to be greasy. Yes, may I say? So we're gonna add in the marinade liquid. And that's gonna add a little darkness to it as well. We're gonna add in carrot, bell peppers. I'm gonna add in about 4 to 5 cups of hot water. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup to it, just to add a nice little richness to it. You see me I say? Yeah, so in a few seconds though, not yet, not just yet. But we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we'll add the ketchup afterwards. Alright, so we're gonna fry up the breadfruit and right now. Roast and fry. Pot hot like fire, So we're gonna turn it down a little bit. Keep it on a low heat for now, because we don't want to burn the breadfruit them, you understand? Yeah. Drop them in. Oh my God. The food smells good already, Smell nice. Let me tell you this. I think Jamaican, we have the best food ever. No lies, no cap. Hands down, we have the best food, may I tell you. We eat breakfast for dinner, and dinner for breakfast. You understand? A add a little bit more oil to this, some avocado oil. Not too much, just to give it a nice sear. And while that's frying, guys, we're gonna add some ketchup. I'm gonna add some ketchup to this to make our sauce. Not too much. Then we're gonna add some brown sugar. And then we're gonna grate some ginger inside of it as well. Mix it up a little bit first. Alright, time to grate the ginger. The ginger gonna turn up the flavor big time, guys. Trust me. You don't have to grate it. If you don't have a grater, guys, you can also blend it or, you know, smash it. You know, or just chop it and drop it right in. You know, personal choice, personal preference. It's pretty much up to you. Alright. Yeah. Mix it up again. And then we're gonna close it down, alright? I'm gonna add a little bit more browning to it, because the browning is kinda weak. Add some more darkness to it. Yeah. Stir it up. Alright, so now we're going to close it down and let it cook. Make the heat and the fire and the pot do the work. So now we're going to flip over the breadfruit them. Breadfruit them looking nice and crispy. Nice and sexy. Yeah. Look like I struggle with the tongue in my hand, you know. Yes, but it's looking good, guys. See it, eh? Ooh. So after we finish frying the breadfruit, guys, we're gonna add a little bit of salt to it, add some flavor, and then that's gonna be it for the breadfruit. Yeah. Nothing sweet like roast and fried breadfruit. Yes, guys. So the breadfruit I'm done fry. Yeah, man. Good to go. So we're gonna put them. The one kind of dark, a little bit kind of burn, but it's not gonna go to waste. Rest them on a paper towel so you can soak up all that extra oil, you know. And that's it for now. We're just gonna wait until the chicken is good to go, it's ready to go, and then we'll go enjoy the thing. You see, Jamaican style, breakfast style, yardman style. Yeah. If this is your first time watching, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. See you in a bit. Yeah, man, so the breadfruit ready and the chicken ready. So we'll go add everything to our plate real quick. Some of the breadfruit them kind of burn a little bit, but when I watch that, we still eat it. You see it. Yeah, man. You know, someone should have made some more breadfruit, but nah, I do that right now because time. I don't have the time right now. You see it, so. Oh. A long time I ain't no roast and fried breadfruit, you know. Oh my god. Good while now. I tell you. It's a lot of meat. Ooh. Add a little gravy to that. Just like that. Yeah, man. And here you have it, guys. Jamaican brown stew chicken with some roast and fried breadfruit. This is my breakfast that I'll be having right now. So I'm gonna do a taste test and make you know what I'll go on. You see me I say? Yeah. So which one you want? You want this one? Or you want this one? Or you want this one? Obviously, let me not eat the 3 plates, them guys. But yeah, put that there, so. hot, you know. This is well seasoned, guys. Well seasoned. Seasoned to the bone. Can't get no better than this. Soak up some of the gravy with the breadfruit. This is, ooh. This is my Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, you know, get better than that. Yes guys, so we're at the end of the video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes.